Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be looking at a very simple but effective way of doing panel lines on wings and possibly on fuselages too. So let's go ahead and get started here. So first of all, let's go ahead and sketch a wing profile. And I'm just sketching a little wing here, profile. Here's our wing profile. Now I'm just going to extrude this. Okay, here's our wing. Now what I'm going to do is use an offset plane. So construct offset plane. And this is the plane, and pull this up here. Really doesn't matter how high this is above the wing. Just make sure it's above the wing. And click OK. Then I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here we just created. Now I'm going to put some panel lines in. Just use L here. Now to make these lines accurate to your wing that you are modeling, you would just have a picture of the wing under here, and then you just sketch these lines here. Just put one here to here. Okay, let's go as these are panel lines. Go ahead and finish sketch. And we can see those are slightly above. Then we're going to use the extrude and change this to thin. Deselect that, and then select this, the lines we just created. Now, this right here is going to give you the thickness of your panel lines, what you want. So I'm going to change this to 0.5. Like I said, just remember this is your thickness of your panel lines. And set this to new body and click OK. We can turn the origin off, don't need it. Then next what we're going to do is come up here to split body. And this is the body to split. And the splitting tool is going to be the top of this wing. And click OK. Now we have 3 bodies here. We have the wing, so we can change this to wing just to keep things clear and straight. And the top up here, we can change this to top. And turn this one off. And as you can see, the top is still on, and then we can turn the wing off. And you see the shapes of these now of the wing throughout here. Now, what we want to do is come over here to modify and select press pull. Then we want to select the faces. And now the distance, how deep you want your panel line to be into the panel itself, you would select over here how deep you want that to be. So I'm just going to put 0.5 millimeter, and click OK. Now what that does is it somewhat extruded these 0.5 millimeters or 0.5 millimeter. So now we turn the wing back on. And now we want to combine. This is the target body here, and the tool body is this. And make sure this is set to cut. Now you can keep tools and click OK. And turn off the top. And you can see those are now cut down into the wing. Just that simple. Now, this way is very simple to do and very effective. And you can do this on a fuselage too. So let's say we have do a makeshift fuselage here. Let's see here, create a sketch. This plane here. And finish this. Then I'm just going to extrude this. And this is our makeshift fuselage here. And what we want to do is use an offset plane. Turn off this body here. This is the plane here, offset. And click OK. Next, create a sketch on this plane. And start sketching some lines here. And click OK. And extrude. Change this to thin extrude. This here. Pull this into here. Change this to new body. And click OK. Now split body. This is the body to split. This is a splitting tool, or and turn off the ones on the inside there, and turn off this body here. And as you can see, this has the shape of the outside of that fuselage, and we'll use the press pull again. We don't want edge, we want the face. Then select all of these. And you'll just have to zoom in to make sure you're selecting the face and not the edge. Okay, now we have all those. And one more here. And this will be the depth. Let's see here. Cancel that. Do this again. I don't know what happened last time, how it selected that. Okay, now we want this to be a 0.5. And this will be the depth of your panel lines. Then turn the wing back on. Not the wing, but the make-believe fuselage. Then select Combine. And this is the target body. And this is the tool bodies. Set this to cut and click OK. Then we can turn this off. Then you can see that's cut in there too. Just that simple. So just remember, when you select your offset, that's going to give you the depth of the panel line that you want. So if you want your panel line to be 1 millimeter deep, just set your offset to 1 millimeter. And the width of the panel line, that is going to be with your extrude, the thin line extrude. And what you want to do there is set your thickness of what you want it to be also. So like extrude here, when you click thin line here, now Since I don't have anything here selected, let's see. The wall thickness, then you want to adjust it here, the width of your panel line. So yeah, but that's a very simple, effective way of doing panel lines. And it's probably the most simplest way I've seen, and showing you guys here. So yeah. But anyway, that's how you do panel lines, and that's going to do it for this short video here. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the like button as well. And if you have any questions or anything like that about this or anything in my channel, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. And also, I invite you to join my Patreon group and my Facebook group. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. And if you can, send a super thanks or join my Patreon site. And yeah, but anyway, and at the least, just hit that subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow, and hit the like button as well. And that's going to do it for this short video, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.